Hey there, fellow daters. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your online experiences smoother. Today, we're diving into how to unblock someone on Tinder in 2025. Whether it was a heated moment, a misunderstanding, or just a change of heart, unblocking someone can reopen doors to potential connections. This guide is based on the most recent Tinder updates, so let's jump right in and get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Tinder account on your phone or tablet. That's key for any changes. Start by opening the Tinder app. You'll see your main feed, but we need to head to your profile. Tap on the profile icon in the top left or right corner, depending on your device. Once you're in your profile, look for the settings gear icon, usually at the top of the screen. Tap on that to enter the settings menu. Now, scroll down until you find the Blocked or Privacy section. Tinder might label it slightly differently in 2025, but it's typically under Account Management. Tap on Blocked Users to see your list. In this list, you'll see the profiles you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock. You can search if there's a lot of names. Once you spot them, tap on their profile and look for an Unblock button or option. It might say Unblock directly or have a prompt to confirm. Hit that button, and Tinder will ask for confirmation to make sure you really want to proceed. Go ahead and confirm. It's that simple. After unblocking, the person might reappear in your feed or matches, depending on their activity. Keep in mind, this doesn't automatically restore any previous matches or messages. You'll have to start fresh. One quick tip. If you're unblocking multiple people, do it one at a time to avoid any glitches. There you have it. You're now a pro at managing your blocks on Tinder. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more dating app hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping in 2025.